Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to read barcode with Android phone. Reading barcodes with your Android phone is easy and can be done using the Google app. Here's how to do it. First, open the Google app, tap the lens icon, a camera, or the dot inside. Point your camera at the barcode and let lens focus on it. Then tap on the search icon. Lens will detect the barcode and display its content or related actions, such as visiting a website or searching for a product. Tips for best results: ensure good lighting and hold the phone steady. Keep the barcode clean and free from obstructions. If the barcode doesn't scan, try adjusting the angle or distance of the camera. Now, you're ready to scan barcodes with ease. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.